Spring is coming. Flowers are blooms already. Look at those. It's windy. Wow. Look at these flowers. Pistachio are already start to have fruits. Pistachios fruits. Look. Those are the pistachios fruits. And the fig. Those are the fig. Started to have fruits also. Where is the figs? I will show you the fruits of the fig. Hold on. It's not yet. Roses. Plum. There's a fruit of the plum. Have you seen that? Yes. Plum fruits. It's a plum fruits. And barberry here. Barberry fruit is here. Starting. And my small gardener is there, watering the plant. Oh, no! Stop doing that to me. And the olives is they called it monkey flower. I don't know why they called it monkey flower. Olive tree. Our olive tree is now starting to have a flower. It's the olive tree. And our pomegranate have already a flower. You're gonna have a fruit soon. Look at that. That orange color there. Wait. Okay. That's all. Thank you.